here is my new apartment. So I'm gonna do a semi-empty apartment tour. I did move in 2 days ago. If you recognize this apartment from my last video, this is apartment number 1, just in a different floor plan. So in this one, you just have a bigger kitchen and a long island. I think I'm gonna do a little bar cart right here. For now, this is what I have, but that's gonna move. It has all my perfume and candles currently. And then we have a little pantry. Right here, I think I'm gonna have a little desk area, but for now it just has empty bags. Here's the living room. There is lots of natural light. Sorry if you can hear the air conditioning. I do not have a couch or a coffee table or a TV stand, so we're kind of struggling. And then this is my room, currently living out of a suitcase. We have my vanity by this big window over here with all my makeup over here. I'm hoping to organize that today because it's driving me crazy. And then I'm hoping to get 2 dressers on each side to be like nightstands, because I can't really put a dresser here because it's gonna be too wide, which I figured, but it's fine. I really like how I set up my room. The washer and dryer is right here. It is a stackable washer and dryer, and I just had to put my stuff at the top, which is fine. And then I snuck my little drying rack and ironing board there. And then down the hall, we have my closet and then the bathroom. And then I haven't hung any paintings, obviously, so that's just what we're working with. The lights over here, and then this door leads to the front of the apartment. But yeah, here we are. It's a bit messy. I'm currently just wearing a t-shirt. We love it. Look how great the natural lighting is. Like, I'm literally obsessed. So if you guys don't know, my name is Bailey. I'm a recent graduate from Auburn University, and I got a bachelor's degree in marketing. I was waiting for my lease to finish up to move out to Atlanta. I don't have a job, but I really wanted to move here. I've always wanted to live here just for a little bit and live in a big city. I also have a Trader Joe's and a Whole Foods near me, and I'm so excited. I've never been to either of those. So I'm actually gonna go to Trader Joe's today and stock up on some groceries. I'm not gonna go too crazy because I am gonna have to go back to Auburn because I couldn't fit my full-length mirror from my previous apartment. So I have to go back for that. I'm also gonna take some graduation pictures, finally. Also, don't know if you noticed, but I got my hair done. It's definitely more blonde. I got a balayage and then like a root smudge at the top so it could like grow out, so I don't have to like dye it as frequently, because I did get it dyed in my hometown. Honestly, kind of scared to try to get my hair done in Atlanta because I don't know any hair salons, and also I'm sure it's like $3 million. But yeah, so every time I get my hair dyed, I'm probably just gonna go home and do it. But I really like it. I feel like I'm just gonna keep going blonder and blonder because I love the way it looks in natural lighting, and I really think it makes my eyes pop. I don't know, maybe that's just me. So I'm starting this video a little late. It is literally 5 o'clock. So probably not the best time to go grocery shopping, but I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, and it will be my first time, and I'm so excited, and I'll show you guys what I get when I come back. I'm gonna take these boxes down to the dumpster before I leave so I don't have to look at them anymore. And I'm filming on my new iPhone 11 Pro and the wide lens. I love it so much. The best purchase ever, this wagon. My first Trader Joe's haul, I'm so excited. Okay, so obviously I just got a couple of things. I am going back to Auburn this weekend to pick up my mirror, so I didn't wanna like buy things and have them go bad. I got this Trader Joe's chicken salad. It has pecans and cranberries in it. It looked good. I've never seen it before, so we'll see if it's good. I got some donut peaches. I love peaches, and I think I saw like a TikTok about these, but they just looked really cute, so we're gonna try those out. I got the famous cauliflower gnocchi. I think that's how you say it. I'm so excited to try it. I know a lot of people on TikTok and YouTube always rave about this. And I know that you're not supposed to use the cooking instructions because apparently that makes it taste not good. But I don't have an air fryer, and I feel like most people use an air fryer, so we'll see how that goes. I got these Hold the Cone chocolate ice cream cones because Brooke Michio was talking about this in like one of her latest vlogs. And then I just got some ground pepper, pretty basic, because I didn't have any. And then, of course, a Holy Grail product, the Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel seasoning. I've obviously had this and it wasn't Trader Joe's, so we'll see if it makes a difference, but really excited for that. And then I just got a little carton of 6 eggs. I just ate the rest of my Chick-fil-A that I had for lunch for dinner, and I also tried one of the peach donuts, and it was pretty good. It was kind of hard. I don't know if it was supposed to be that way, but I'm just gonna wait a couple days and maybe it needs to be more ripe. And then I think I'm gonna make that gnocchi tomorrow for dinner or lunch, I don't know. I cannot get over how good the lighting still is, and it is literally 8 o'clock and I don't have any lights on in here, so we love that. I think I'm gonna be doing lots of videos right here. I think behind me, I wanna do a mood wall like I did in the intro of my video and in my last bedroom tour. I'll be sure to link that down below if you wanna check that out. And yeah, I am so excited to start decorating this apartment and getting furniture because all I have is my bed and my vanity. So now I'm going to organize my vanity. I have so many little makeup bags around me that I'm looking at that are driving me crazy. And there's a lot of makeup that I need to go through and like throw away. So this is the chaos so far, and here is my bed. So I'm just gonna organize by category and then go through each one. Right now I'm organizing my lip products. We have lipsticks, lip crayons, liquid lipsticks, and then glosses, and then that is my throwaway pile. And then over here we have all my brushes I haven't put up, some tools, some blushes, lip pencils, liquid blush, some lip products, and then I already filled these up so they are looking good. And then I filled up the face drawer. I just have some testers on top. And then I filled up this first drawer. It just has extra palettes, lashes, all my mascaras and brow stuff, and then eyeliners. In this drawer, we have my like fun makeup and then like all my face mask and some extra skincare. And then this drawer is just hair stuff, and then at the bottom, I'm gonna put like bags like that. Swatching lipsticks, and now I just look like abstract art. But here are all the lipsticks I'm keeping. I'm watching Jessica Stock still right now, and I'm about to organize the cheek and lip drawer. We have a lovely stained t-shirt, and on the sleeves some stained arms. Doesn't that look great? Is it gonna come off? I don't know. So I'm gonna jump in the shower and use a little exfoliating cube because I've washed my arms 3 times now. So let's see if that helps. The shower worked. It is all off my arms except they're super red from me scrubbing them. I'm about to get in bed because for some reason I'm so tired and I literally didn't even do anything today. I think I'm just exhausted from the move still. And I'm gonna watch a movie on my laptop or some YouTube maybe, I don't know, with my personal hotspot since I don't have Wi-Fi. Tomorrow I wanna put contact paper in the kitchen. I did it in the bathroom, but I haven't done it in the kitchen yet. And I have this little dresser thingy that's in my closet that I need to fill up and then do some laundry, and then maybe I'll go to TJmaxx or something, look for a couch, I don't know. So we shall see what I do. Oh, also, this is what the vanity is looking like. Besides that hairbrush, it's just there because I brought it from the bathroom, but I really like it. This is all the makeup that I got rid of. I'm so proud of myself. If you don't know, I can be a hoarder with makeup. I still am a hoarder with my eyeshadow palettes, but oh well. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is the next day and I most definitely slept in because it was raining. So now I'm making some lunch. I'm preheating my oven in the back to make the gnocchi. I found some recipe on Pinterest and I'm just gonna eat it plain. While we're waiting for the oven to preheat, I'm gonna cut my marble contact paper and put it in the drawer so I can like have a place to have my utensils. Oh my gosh. This is very poor cutting on my end. All right, so this is what it looks like. I didn't get it like really good on the end, so I think it's fine, and it just makes it so things don't slide around. In this one, I put my utensil holders and my reusable straws. And then this is like a miscellaneous drawer that has like measuring cups, can opener, wine opener, lemon squeezer, all that. What a transformation. We love that. All right, this is the last one we're gonna do. Boom, it looks so good. Now we have these little scraps, but I'm not gonna use those for anything. Okay, sorry for my washing machine if it's super loud. Up here we got shorts and then some formal dresses, kind of random. And then in this drawer we have belts and then jeans. And then the bottom drawer we have all my swimsuits, cover-ups, and hats. Here is the finished product of the gnocchi. I'm gonna try it in just a second. But while this was cooking, I got the suitcase that was over here. If you noticed it, I unpacked the clothes and put it in the little dresser in my closet. And then that bag and that bag are the only clothes left that have clothes in it, but I don't have like a place to put them because I need a dresser. It don't really smell like anything. It's pretty good, pretty good. It definitely would be better in sauce, but you know, I don't have any sauce. So now I'm gonna watch some YouTube in bed, eat this, and then we're gonna check the weather and see if it's raining and see if I can go out. So it's a lot later now and I ended up going to TJmaxx and Goodwill, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. I originally went to get like a paper towel holder and like maybe some decor, I don't know, like some mixing bowls, but they were a little low on the home stuff. Currently sitting on the floor so I can show you guys. We'll start with TJmaxx first. Okay, I got two things from here. I got some black shorts. Don't even know if these fit me, so we're gonna try them on in just a second. They just have a little tie. And I got these leggings, and you're probably thinking, why are you buying leggings like in the middle of summer? But they just had these pockets on the side and I just love this color. So we're gonna also try these on and see if they fit, because otherwise I'll be returning. These are the black shorts. What do we think? You can kind of make them high-waisted. Here's the back. All right, here are the leggings. They're very high-waisted. I love the fit of them. I love the giant pockets on the side. They go down like right here, I think, or that's how they just kind of ended up. I like the little lines. Very cute. And there's the back. These leggings are so comfortable, but the only downside is they're kind of not squat proof if you're wearing like black underwear. So maybe don't do that. You're probably only gonna be able to get away with like a nude thong or like this color pink. So yeah, that's my review. Now on to Goodwill. Fun fact, never been to a Goodwill. The first thing that I got is this like long nude t-shirt. It's from Zara and it's in a medium, but I just thought it would just be a good basic. I'm definitely going to wash all the Goodwill stuff before I wear it, so I'm not even gonna like try it on. That was $5. Then I went into the men's section because I wanted to look at their big t-shirts. They didn't have a ton, but I got this one. It's just black and it has this like gold arrows on the side and it's literally like an Atlanta shirt. I just wanted to be like local, I don't know. but it's super soft, and this was literally only $2. And then the last thing I got is this like black t-shirt. I thought it was dark gray in the store, I'm not gonna lie, but I got it because it's just big and I want to like crop it, and I think it would be really cute. Okay, that was everything, guys. I'm so excited that I live in Atlanta now. I love my new apartment. I can't wait to start getting furniture so I don't just have my bed and my vanity. And I'm pumped to start making more videos. I know I haven't been super consistent, but I'm gonna try to be better about that now, especially with all this great lighting. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can keep up with my content, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.